This video covers the starting of the application and the setting up of the training project for a pipe modelling course in AVEVA Everything 3D 2.1. Start the AVEVA Everything 3D 2.1 product from the Start menu or a desktop shortcut as shown. A splash screen will be temporarily displayed. From the AVEVA E3D 2.1 login form, click the TRA tile. From the user list, select A.Piper, enter a password of capital A, and from the MDB list, select A-piping. Click the Model tile. A splash screen will be temporarily displayed. Once the Model module has started, the window can be maximised. On the Tools tab in the Training group, click the Setup button. The training setup form will be displayed. Check the Setup Training Course checkbox. Click the OK button on the warning form, followed by the Apply button to start the setup. A prompt will be displayed while the setup is being performed. Once the setup operation is complete, click the Close button on the form. Perform a save work.